This is a video for AQA Further Pure Mathematics, Sequences and Series, section 3.3, where we're looking at the Maclaurin series of composite functions. In previous videos we met the following Maclaurin series for standard functions for e to the x log of 1 plus x, sine x, cos x, and 1 plus x to the power n. Now we can use these if we've got combinations of the functions to try and work out an approximation for a more complex function. So as an example of that, let's say that we wanted to find e to the x cos 2x up to the x cubed term. Well, we know that e to the x is given by the Maclaurin series 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial, etc. and that cos x is 1 minus x squared over 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 over 4 factorial. If we want up to the x cubed term then that's all the powers that we need to do. So we only need to take e to the x up to the power x cubed and the cosine up to the power of x squared, because x to the power 4 is too large. Now remembering that we've got cos 2x, then in the second expression you see there that we've substituted 2x for x in the formula for the cosine of x. So we've got up to x cubed in the first bracket and up to the x squared term in the second bracket. Now if we do a little bit of calculation on those, then we can simplify. We can work out the factorials. 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, and of course 2x all squared is 4x squared. And so that simplifies to the following brackets. Now we need to multiply this out to give us the x cubed terms. So when it comes to the multiplying out, then we don't need to do everything. So certainly to get the number term we can multiply the 1 by the 1, and to get the x term we can multiply x by 1. To get the x squared term, just change the colour of the pen, to get the x squared term we've got x squared multiplied by 1 and then the 2x squared multiplied by 1 there. And for x cubed, well, again two ways of getting x cubed. They are to do x multiplied by x squared in that term, and then the x cubed multiplied by the 1. But notice there's no point doing the x squared multiplied by the x to the power of x squared term, or x cubed multiplied by x squared, both of which give us powers which are greater than x cubed. So there we are, having done that, we've got the 1 plus x multiplied by 1 in the second bracket, and then to get x squared there's a half coming from x squared over 2 multiplied by 1, and then minus 2 from the minus 2x squared multiplied by 1 in the first bracket. And then for x cubed in a similar way, 1/6 minus 2x cubed. And then all we need to do after that is to simplify those to give the final value 1 plus x, then minus 3 over 2 x squared, and minus 11 over 6 x cubed. So there we have the expression up to the term in x cubed. Well, that completes this video on composite functions, and indeed is the last in the series of videos about Maclaurin theories.